How to fix iPhone battery draining fast. In this video, I'll show you 7 simple settings that can help improve battery life. Let's get started. Update your apps. First, make sure all your apps are up to date. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon, then tap Update All if updates are available. Updated apps are often optimized for the latest version of iOS and may fix battery-related issues. Turn off background app refresh. Next, open Settings, tap General, then select Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh again and choose Off, or select Wi-Fi if you still want apps to refresh only when connected to Wi-Fi. This reduces background activity and helps save battery. Manage location services. Now go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and tap Location Services. Review the apps that use your location and change their permission to while using the app or never, depending on your needs. Limiting location access can significantly reduce battery usage. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips,